Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sorry I am on here so late. I have been sick. I've had congestion, cold, and all that good stuff. Anyways, so today is the winners for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance tutorial. I had so many phenomenal entries. Everyone did an amazing job. So when it comes down to me picking, it is very, very hard. So, and you guys know that. And yes, I go through my pictures over and over and over and over again. I like to be as fair as possible, and I just want to say to everyone that entered my challenge, beautiful work, phenomenal. I mean, it was just wonderful. And next challenge is Disney, so I am super excited for that. And I've not forgotten about you guys picking my makeup. I will probably throw that in the middle of the Disney challenge. I'm gonna do my Disney look and then put that up, and then maybe in between I'll probably let it run for 2 or 3 weeks. I will throw up on Instagram and YouTube, pick my makeup, and that'll be just for some fun. But anyways, I've had a lot of people say for Disney, for me, Maleficent, and let me know in the comments down below if you agree. Maleficent, Ariel, and Snow White and Jasmine have been like the 4 most voted, but Maleficent came in #1. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but hey, I'll take it. So I'm just trying to figure out how to do her like horns, you know? I'm like, I don't know, but I can play with the makeup. And so anyways, we're gonna have fun with Disney. So even if you win, you can win again. And if you don't win, please enter the next challenge because it's just so much fun. I have fun interacting with you guys. Okay, I know you're probably all like, okay, already now, get to the flipping winners. I don't know the full names, but I have them written down. #1 is JMUAA. She's on my Instagram, and I'm sure she's on my YouTube. Well, I know she's on my YouTube because she sees my video, but sometimes I don't know the name on YouTube as opposed to on Instagram. So I'm sure she will see this and contact me. #2 is Jazzy Jasmine 218, and I just have to say that those were the 2 winners, and that everybody did a wonderful job. So thank you so much for entering, and they will receive each a box of declutter, and shipping is on them. I discussed that in one of my videos, and everybody agreed. And I have a lot more to go, guys, so coming up soon. I've got to figure out how to do the little horn thingies again. Just let me know. I'm looking forward to the Disney video. I will probably get that up by the end of this week. Super fun, and everyone can be whatever character you choose. You can be any character you want, but it has to be a Disney character. You can go full on costume or just the face makeup. It is going to be completely up to you guys how far you want to go with this. Like if you have a costume from Halloween with a previous Halloween that you wore, and you want to do it for the video, it'd be great. If you don't want to do costume, it is completely okay. All will be judged the same. It is mainly based on the makeup, but if you want to do the hair, you know, or any of that, totally go all out and have fun. I am looking into the Maleficent character, so I can do as close as I can get to her. I got my nails done today, even though I was in there sniffling. But anyways, I should have went like black with my nails because of the character, but you're not going to see them anyways. And they're kind of, well, these ones are dark. But anyways, so super excited, and Pick My Makeup is coming up. And we're at 925 subscribers, guys. So we're moving along, 75 more subscribers, and I will be giving away a Dooney & Bourke Disney purse full of makeup. So, and let me know if you would like to see Jeffree Star's new Thirsty palette in a upcoming giveaway. I did order mine. I did not order a second because I have the Box of Crayons palette and I have a bunch of other stuff in a box. But just let me know, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and hit that little notification bell. Follow me on Instagram if you can, Susan Young 1974, and I will see you soon.